How to revive your thinning eyebrows quickly with proven hacks. Hey beauties, struggling with thinning eyebrows? Don't worry, today I'm sharing quick and proven hacks to get fuller, healthier brows naturally and fast. Let's revive your brows and boost your confidence. Stay till the end because I'm revealing a secret brow oil blend that changed my brow game. Steps 1. Why brows thin? Common causes: over-plucking, aging, stress, hormones. Briefly explain hair growth cycle. Step 2. Use castor oil to stimulate hair growth. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that can help nourish and strengthen your brow hairs. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyebrows before bed and massage it in gently. Step 3. Massage your eyebrow to increase blood flow and stimulate hair growth. Use your fingertips to massage your eyebrows in a circular motion for about 5 minutes a day. Step 4. Avoid over-plucking your eyebrows. Over-plucking can damage your brow hairs and lead to thinning or even bald spots. Instead, focus on shaping your eyebrows to enhance their natural shape. Step 5. Grow tail. Thinning eyebrows can be caused by over-plucking, stress, poor nutrition, or harsh skincare. To repair them naturally and quickly, start by nourishing your body with biotin-rich foods like Apply
eggs and
natural nuts, oils such and as stay castor hydrated. oil or coconut oil daily to stimulate hair growth and strengthen the brow hairs. Avoid tweezing and harsh products, and let your brows grow undisturbed for several weeks. With consistency and care, you can restore fuller, healthier eyebrows naturally. Step 6. Thickness of brows. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that promote hair growth. Apply castor oil to your eyebrows before bed and massage it in gently. Wake up to thicker brows. Brow serums contain peptides and biotin that stimulate hair growth. Use a brow serum daily to nourish and strengthen your brow hairs. Massaging your eyebrows increases blood flow and stimulates hair growth. Massage your eyebrows in a circular motion for 5 minutes daily. Massaging your eyebrows increases blood flow and stimulates hair growth. Massage your eyebrows in a circular motion for 10 minutes. Less curved or arched brows will be more suitable for you. If we look at Rose here, raising the curve of her brows will actually further elongates her mid-face proportion, causing her face to look longer opposed to long face shape. Shorter face shape can have a more curvy or arched brows to lengthen their facial proportion. You can look at Zuo's example here. So, it's real Euphordotia if you want your face to look shorter or longer. Surely this is just the general idea of how to decide if you are suitable for curved or straight brows, because majority of us are not having just the same face shape. For example, some might have short and square face shape, or some might have longer heart-shaped face. There are so many different combinations. There is no one-size-fits-all formula to decide on this, but this can certainly give you a direction. If you have more prominent features or face shape with sharp edges, like square face or diamond face shapes, you can consider softer eyebrow style. Softer eyebrow style will help to tone down the sharpness of your face. For example, long, square face straight brows will suit long face better. And square face is categorized as face shapes with sharper angles, so brows with slight curve will help to tone the edges of our cheekbones or jawlines. For short diamond face shapes, if you wish to make your face look longer and slimmer, then you will need to add a little curve to your brows. Brows with slight arch will be great for short diamond face shapes, but always keep the arch soft. Just a natural curve will be enough. On the other hand, if your face shape is less edged like oval or round face shapes, brows with or without arches. All up to your style preference. In order to make your brows look more soft or sharp, it actually depends on the edges of our brows. Look at the edges of our brows. Is it dark or lightly filled? And are the strokes curved or straight? If the edge is lightly filled, it will look softer and more delicate. In contrast, dark-filled edge lines will have more defined edges. To know the brows have straight or curved strokes, we will normally take the point at our brows arch as the turning point. The strokes starting from the turning point to brow, front and tail will be observed. If the strokes from the turning point to the brow, front and tail are straight, it will have a more defined or sharper edge. The Western makeup normally prefers brows like this, and brow pomade are used to achieve this style. If the strokes from the turning point to the brow, front and tail are curved, this is the brow shape usually preferred by Asian ladies. Back in the 50s era, fast forward to now, The Asian beauty world now prefers brows with straight lower edge and curved upper edge. This brow shape looks more natural, but does it make people look more mature than their age? The last thing we want to say here is the density of your edge line. In Western makeup, the lower and upper edge are usually parts. I guess your brows are almost looking perfect. This method of filling in brows normally suits girls with deeper set eyes or girls with higher brow bone. Most of the Asian girls do not have eyes as deep as the Westerners or high brow bone, the filling in the edge lines of your eyebrows. Too dark will not suit our facial features. Please do not use the outline method to fill in your brows. This will make your upper and lower edges look harsh and unnatural. To make your eyebrow looks natural. The best way to fill in your edges is fill in the upper edge lightly, but darker at the lower edge. Natural brows normally will have lighter upper edge compared to the lower edge. This is because if you observe, lights are always shining down on us from the above. The upper portion of our brow will always get hit by the lights. The lower part of our brows will not be fully hit by light because the brow hairs have blocked parts of the lights. So the lower part becomes darker. By following this observation, we can use this method to fill in our brows too. If the distance between your brows and eyes are close, you might need to fill in the lower edge line less dark. Or you can also fill in the upper edge darker. Lighter on the lower edge to lift your brows higher. This will make the space between your eyes and your brows looking wider. You can experiment different methods of doing your brows to find out what suits you the most. Consistency is key. These steps daily for 4 to 6 weeks and you'll see the difference. Take progress photos to track your journey. Don't forget to comment below your results and subscribe for more beauty tips.